Make your Gammas more engaging with the TikTok integration. You can display social media content within your presentations, documents, and websites. The TikTok integration opens up exciting possibilities for various users. For creators, it's a game changer. You can showcase your content portfolio during live presentations, displaying TikToks in full-screen present mode for maximum impact. Your videos will also look great on your portfolio website, where visitors can smoothly scroll through your embedded content. For marketers, you can now directly highlight campaign ideas or TikTok ads in your pitch decks. Present your social media strategy with live TikTok content playing seamlessly in present mode, or share campaign results through interactive documents that stakeholders can review on any device. And educators can transform the learning experience by embedding TikTok videos into their lessons. Whether presenting to a classroom or sharing materials on a course website, students can engage with educational content in a familiar, interactive format. The possibilities are endless. Let's learn more about it. How to add the integration. There are 3 ways to add TikTok videos to your Gammas. First, simply paste the TikTok link into your card. Gamma will automatically recognize and embed the video. Alternatively, you can use Gamma/command. Just type /TikTok and paste your TikTok link or embed code. The video will instantly appear in your presentation. Finally, you can use the Insert menu. Navigate to the Videos and Media section and find the TikTok option. Drag and drop the component to your desired location, then add the video's link or embed code. Now, let's explore how to maximize this integration. Tips and tricks. Once you've inserted your TikTok, click on the Advanced option to access additional configuration settings. Here, you can change the video's thumbnail and metadata, particularly useful when displaying TikToks on websites. You can also click on the display options to choose different ways to showcase your video. Embed reproduces the video within your Gamma. Preview shows the link with a title and description. Button attaches the video link to a button, and the link displays the regular URL. Gamma's versatility allows you to combine multiple components. For instance, dragging one TikTok on top of another creates a dynamic gallery to showcase your content. You can also insert TikToks within other components, like columns, tables, and even smart layouts. This flexibility gives you more room for creativity and helps you present your ideas in the most effective way possible. And that's how you integrate Gamma with TikTok. It's quick, easy, and incredibly powerful for sharing content in creative ways. Try it today at gamma.app and experience a new way of presenting ideas, powered by AI.